Can you find square roots without using long division? What if I tell you that the same square roots problem can be solved in just a few seconds using different shortcuts? In this video, I am going to show you 10 fast square roots tricks with real examples. And at the end, I will give you 5 question challenge. So grab your notebook and let's begin. Before we start, remember one important thing. There is no single shortcut that is best for every number. Different numbers have different patterns. So today we will learn 10 different methods and I'll show you when each method is useful. Let's start with trick 1. If the square ends in 1, the square roots ends in 1 or 9. If the square ends in 4, the square root can end in 2 or 8. If the square ends in 5, the square root must be ends in 5. If it ends in 6, the square root can end in 4 or 6. If the square ends in 9, the square root must be ends in 3 or 7. Our first trick, unit digit method. Let's use the last digit to narrow down the answer for perfect square. Let's try 1. Example 1. Square root of 3721. The number ends in 1, so the roots ends 1 or 9. We know 60 square is 3600. So the root is slightly more than 60. Try 61. 61 square is 3721. So the answer is square root of 3721 is 61. Example 2. Square root of 1681. Last digit is 1. The square root ends in 1 or 9. We know the answer is around 40 because 40 square is 1600. 40 square is 1600. So the root is slightly more than 40 square. Try 41. 41 square is 1681. Therefore 16 square root of 1681 is 41. Last 2 digits plus first part. This trick is great for finding the square root of many perfect squares. Let's see how. Square root of 25. First split the number 20, 25. Now look at the first part 20. The largest perfect square less than 20 is 4 square. That is 16. So our answer starts with 4. Now look at the last 2 digits 25. A square ending in 25 has a square root ending in 5. So we get 45. Square root of 25 is 45. Example, square root of 31, 36. Split the number 31, 36. Look at the first part 31. The largest perfect square less than 31 is 5 square. That is 25. So the answer starts with 5. A square ending in 6 has a square root ending in 6. 36 is a perfect square of 6 square. 5, 6. Square root of 31, 36 is the 56. 56 is equals to 56 square is equals to 3136. Near 100. Now let's move to number close to 100. This is extremely useful when the square root is close. 100 minus a square is equals to 10,000 minus 200 a plus a square. A means our number. Let's see it in action. First example, square root of 9801. We know 9801 is very close to 10,000. 99 is 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1 square. So 99 square 100 minus 1 square, that is 10,000 minus 200 plus 1, that is 9801. Therefore, square root of 9801 is 99. Question example 2. Square root of 9604. 98 is equals to 100 minus 2. 98 square is 100 minus 2 square. 100 minus 2 square means 10,000 minus 2 into 2, 400 minus plus 4 plus 4. We get 9604. Square root of 9604 is equals to 98. Near 1000. Now let's take the same idea to the bigger base 1000. This is useful for very large perfect squares. Example is square root of 996004. 998, that is 1000 minus 2. 1000 minus 2. 998 square is 1000 minus 2 square. 1000 minus 2 square is 10 lakh minus 4000 plus 4, that is equals to 996004. 998 square is 996004. Square root of 996004 is 998. Non-perfect squares. Remember these all squares. 10 square 100, 20 square 400, 25 square 625, 30 square 900, 40 square 1600, 50 square 2500, 60 square 3600, 70 square 4900. Now let's use them. Example 1. Square root of 1600. 40 square is 1600. So square root of 1600 is 40. Square root of 2500. 50 square is 2500. So square root of 2500 is 50. Factor pair method. Now let's use factors. The idea is simple. Break the number into factors that are perfect squares. Square root of 576. We can write 576 is equals to 144 into 4. Square root of 576 is equals to square root of 144 into square root of 4. Square root of 144 is 12 into square root of 2 is square root of 4 is 2. So the answer is 24. Square root of 900. Break the number into factors that are perfect squares. We can write 900 as a 100 into 9. Square root of 900 is equals to square root of 100 into square root of 9. Square root of 100 is 10 into square root of 3 is square root of 9 is 3. So the answer is 30. Prime factorization. Now let's go one step further. Prime factorization can also help us find square roots. Square root of 144. Break 144 into prime factors. 144. Prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now make pairs. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Take one number from every pair. 2 into 2 into 3. That is 12. Therefore, square root of 144 is 12. Square root of 324. First, break 324 into prime factors. Prime factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Make pairs. 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 3. Take one number from each pair. 2 into 3 into 3. That is 18. Therefore, square root of 324 is 18. Consecutive squares. Consecutive numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. The difference between consecutive squares follow this pattern. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. Let's start with 50 square. 50 square is 25. 2 into 50 plus 1. That is 101. So 51 square is 2601. 52 square is 2704. 53 square 2704 plus 105. That is 2809. Square root of 2809 is 53. Difference of squares, nearby squares. Now let's use nearby known squares to identify the answer quickly. Suppose we have 34 square root of 3481. We know 60 square is 3600. 60 square is 3600 and 3481 is just below 3600. Try the previous number 59 square. 60 minus 1 square, that is 59 square. 60 minus 1 square is 3600 minus 120 plus 1. We get 3481. Square root of 3481 is 59. Let's see another one example. Square root of 3969. We know 60 square is 3600. 60 square is 3600. 3969 is just above 3600. 60 plus 3. 60 plus 3 square. That is 63 square. 60 plus 3 square is 3600. 3600. 3600 plus 360 plus 9, that is 3969. Square root of 3969 is 63. Mixed recognition. Now for our final trick, we are going to combine everything we learned. I'll give you a number and you decide which shortcut is fastest. Square root of 56, 25. Think we know 75 square is 56, 25. So the answer is 75. 75 square is 56, 25. Square root of 56, 25 is 75. Don't force one method on every number. Choose the shortcut that matches the number. Now it's your turn. I am giving you 5 questions. Question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pause the video and solve them yourself. Pause now. Let's see the answers. 18, square root of 1849 is 43 square is 1849. So the answer is 43. Square root of 5761. 69 square is 4761. So the answer is 69. 3 square root of 3025. 55 square is 3025. So the answer is 55. 6241. Square root of 6241. 79 square is 6241. So the answer is 79. 7521. 89 square is 7921. 7921. So the answer is 89. Ready? Let's check. How many did you guess correct? 5 out of 5 or 4 out of 5? And that brings us the end of our square root master class. Remember, speed comes from practice. If you found these tricks useful, like the video, subscribe and share it with someone who wants to become faster at mental maths. See you in the next maths lesson.